I'm John Woods. I'm the founder and CTO of iJento. The idea for iJento came about as a result of my previous experience as a scientist and then working in business intelligence for the pharmaceutical industry. A website is much more complicated than most other ways that we interact with our customers. We get a lot more fine-grained information out of a customer interacting with a website. An organization might have tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands of customers, but it might interact with millions or even tens of millions of people via its website. So the size of the database is much larger, the complexity of the data is much larger. The difficulty with working with large amounts of data is simply the management of the data by itself can become an overwhelming problem. Ordinary databases quickly run out of steam when they're asked to deal with data of this sort of complexity. One way to deal with the online channel in the traditional business intelligence world is to simplify things, to basically throw away some of the data. The problem with that is you might be throwing away a detail that's actually very important to you in analyzing multi-channel behavior, for example. We conceived iJento's technology from the very beginning to be able to integrate data across multiple channels, to deal with the web data, the complexity and the size of the web data, but not in a silo, in a way that was integrated with other sources of data across the organization. The trick of good business intelligence software is to present the data in a way that allows meaningful business insights to be extracted by business users. At iJento, we provide solutions which can deal with the complexity and the volume of the online data, so it's not necessary to throw any information away. This lets our clients be better marketers, to make better decisions and improve the strategies that they're using to interact with consumers. And ultimately that means that all of us, as consumers, get better experiences from the brands who are trying to interact with us. In the future, these problems are going to become more and more intense and are going to be experienced by more organizations. More consumers are using the online channel, they're using multiple channels, and they're using those channels more widely and more deeply in making their purchasing decisions. Companies that make the most of multi-channel marketing data are going to have better relationships with their customers. It's that simple.